This is the only reason why you don't want all this because I was worried. I wanted to know who is this person who suddenly came into their lives and has all the power over them. I don't want them to get into trouble. And I didn't expect to find this.
Game.
Isn't this your work purpose?
Mom, how I like.
I'm still in love with your daughter. And perhaps I always will. Yes, I told you I was letting her go. But the truth is, she's always in my heart.
Ay, may isang magtanong ka kung meron sakit ng gano'n.
Bye.
Masakit ka man.
Bye.
Siya lang.
Bye-bye.
Ano ang kapate?
Hindi ako naniniwala. Unang tingin ko pa rin sa lalaki niya, kumukulong na dugo ko eh.
Ilang piraso yun na yun?
Maxi Popeye ha, pinagdidilatan ako.
Hindi ako nagsiselos.
Aba.
May isa lang ko natin ka. Okay, hindi nila ipag na
Tingnan mo ito, nagtatawan na ako.
Sinisip. Bye. Bye.
What if Maria is a vanity?
Ay, tumawa.
You can trust me. I know the family. And besides, it's a wise business decision. Because
Bakit? Baba ka na? Baba na yan.
isn't that what we're going to do?
Baliktad. Hindi ka makakasakay.
Lumang kayo kanina ba?
Ay.
Sige. Ilan sila?
Baliktad din ganyan.
Baba mo na baba.
Thank you. Thanks. So,